Hi, it's Paul here from DSolar. Today I wanted to talk about why you should choose a Clean Energy Council approved solar retailer like DSolar. In Australia, the Clean Energy Council, or CEC, was appointed by the ACCC to work like a watchdog over Australia's solar industry. This is because in the past there were many cowboys installing solar systems and it became clear the industry needed to be cleaned up. So, the CEC was appointed, but it's important to remember, not every solar company is approved by them. When you buy solar from a solar company that the CEC has approved, it means that solar company has passed a detailed auditing process and has been given the stamp of approval by the watchdog. In some states of Australia, like Victoria and South Australia, you can't get any state government solar rebates unless you buy from a CEC approved solar retailer. From your point of view, it means you can have confidence that the solar company you're dealing with is an ethical solar company. An approved solar company commits to best practice in its advertising and sales, plus in its installations. It only uses properly qualified installers and installs approved solar products. You'll get a better experience when you work with a CEC approved solar retailer. As well as approving solar companies, the CEC accredits solar system installers. These are qualified electricians that climb on your roof to install your system. To get accredited by the Clean Energy Council, installers need to get extra qualifications. Not every electrician is accredited to install solar systems. When you're ready to make the switch to solar, stick with DSolar. We only use accredited solar installers and approved products, and of course we're approved ourselves. We've been installing solar since 2012, and you can see what our customers have to say in our Google reviews. Our friendly, experienced team makes switching to solar easy, so give them a call on 1300 989 811. That's 1300 989 811. You'll be in safe solar hands with DSolar. Before I go, DSolar is on Facebook and Instagram, so don't forget to check us out. Until next time, this is Paul, signing out for now. Bye bye.